friends, welcome back to Seema Hobbies. So today's recipe is Goan special baby mackerel आंबोट टिक. In Goa we call it as a बांगडुल्याचे आंबोट टिक or suke. Now आंबोट means sour and tikkat means hot. So let's start with the ingredients. These are 7 to 8 baby mackerel. First clean it nicely, apply salt and keep aside. If you don't want to keep head part of the mackerels, then you can remove it. For big mackerels, cut each mackerel into 3 pieces. The ingredient and the procedure for big mackerels is also the same. Now for gravy, we required half grated coconut, 20 local red chilies, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, big lemon sized tamarind, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 inch ginger, 3 to 4 tablespoon coconut oil, finely chopped 2 onions, 2 to 3 slit green chilies, 7 to 8 kokum, some tapal, that is Sichuan pepper. Now all this you have to grind into thick paste, that is porous grinding. Now let's transfer all this in the mixing jar. That is coconut, red chilies, peppercorn, ginger and turmeric powder. You can add little water while grinding. Now let's start cooking. I have taken here earthen pot, that is mud pot. Grease with oil before heating. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. In this add finely chopped 2 onions. Saute it till onion gets soft and translucent. Earlier people used to cook in earthen pot. It tastes better in earthen pot. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies. Saute it. So friends, please do not forget to subscribe the channel Seema Hobbies and also like, comment, share and hit the bell button so that you will get the updates of my next videos. Now here the ground paste is also ready. This is how we wanted the ground paste, thick and porous. Now add this ground paste and immediately close the lid. Open it and adjust the water. Do not add too much water. Keep it thick gravy. Mix well. Now remove seeds and crush the apple nicely. Add salt to taste. Give it a good stir. Now it's time to add mackerel. Add crushed apple, that is Sichuan pepper. You can also add this apple in the gravy before adding fish. Do not go on stirring, give a slight stir to this, as fish are very delicate, so it might break. Finally, add 7 to 8 kokum. These are small mackerel, so do not overcook. Now it is done. Ambad tik is ready to serve. Close the gas. So our Goan special hot spicy mackerel ambad tik is ready. That is Bangdulyache ambad tik is ready. You can make any fish ambad tik with this gravy. This is served with hot rice, but you can eat this with chapati, roti, bread. Do try this recipe and let me know your opinion in the comment box. Till then, bye. Thank you. Keep watching Seema Hobbies.